Hey everyone friends, welcome to Weber. Today I'll show how to boost Wi-Fi or wired internet on Windows 11. Go to Start, type Network Connection to check Internet Settings. Got it? Enter, right-click on your active network adapter. See the non-working ones with an X. This one's working for me. Click Properties. Select IPv4. Hit Properties, click here and here, set DNS to 8.8.8.8 4.4. Then click OK. You can also try disabling and re-enabling the adapter. This might help clear errors. If that doesn't work, check which apps are hogging your internet. Right-click on Start for this. Open Task Manager. There. Expand the window, click Network to see which apps use internet and close them. If nothing helps, contact your ISP or check your router. It might be limiting Wi-Fi speed. That's all folks. This was Weber. See you later.